Hey guys, welcome back to this video. In this video, I'll show you how to turn off watch history on YouTube. On the bottom right corner, click on the YouTube channel logo. Now on the top right corner, here you can see a setting gear icon. Just click on that. Now you will see YouTube watch history settings, manage all history. You will find this on the middle of this option. So click on that. Now make sure you are in the right channel. Now click on the savings your YouTube history. Now let's click on turn off. Click on pass. So that is the way you can turn off YouTube watch history. So if you turn on again, then click on got it. Then click on again turn on. Click turn on. So if this video helped you out, please hit the like button. See you in the next video.